Hey, it's Mike here from Fantasy Forge. I've got Max over there working on the camera. We're here to talk about anything and everything cool, collectible, and you can make money on. We're looking at sports cards, we're looking at comics, and movie reviews, anything entertaining and fun. If you're anything like us, you've spent a lot of time and money, on eBay, and frankly, we're sick and tired of uneducated people, scam artists paying too much money. We wanted to get back to the basics and have fun of collecting and as we get on with this, I'll talk more about valuations. What players are increasing in value, what players are decreasing in value, what players are undervalued. I won't get off on a tangent tonight, but I'd dump Patrick Mahomes and I'd buy Kyle Murray all day long. At any rate, I'm supposed to be the expert on sports cards. I don't know a whole hell of a lot. I know a little bit about football cards, a little bit about hockey cards. I know jack shit about baseball and basketball. I've got a couple buddies who are experts on that, and I kind of defer to them. We want to keep this moving fast paced and keep it short and keep it somewhat entertaining. So we're going to move on. I am going to. I got a package in the mail today. It was a break I was in about 2 weeks ago, and just got it today. This stupid guy was the first one, it's the last one, because it took about 2 weeks to get the cards, and that's just BS. You buy something on eBay or something when you're gonna wait 2 weeks, so you get a comic book $500, and 2 weeks later, I had Carolina. And when I get in on a break, I do my homework, and I have this whole flipping algorithm thing that I determine the value of any particular team with the box. Yeah. But anyway, I think I had two teams, Detroit and Carolina, and it was 2019 contenders, and I don't think I got shit. But I thought I only had one team. I don't know why I got. Yes, so Will Harris, contenders, auto card, not on card. Base Cam Newton, base Luke, base McCaffrey, another Luke, another McCaffrey, Cam Newton, Julius Pepper. I don't give a shit about putting my hands on all these base cards. If it's a nice card or I'm doing a break for somebody, yes, I won't touch it. My own cards, do. Anyway, another Luke, another McCaffrey, Cam. I think flipping Cam is going to be a flipping superstar this year. Cam and Lamar Jackson are two guys I want to watch. This is interesting. I didn't know I got this card. This might be worth some money. What is it? 20 out of 23. All right, so this is I haven't gotten a lot, but it's a Will Greer cracked ice, 20 out of 23. That's a nice card. That's worth a couple bucks. I've got another cracked ice. What the hell is that one? Devontae Adams, out of 22 up there. Yeah, these are just a few of the things we've got. We're partial to the Vikings, as you can see. We got Stanley over here with Brett Favre. By the way, Green Bay treated him like shit. We got Adrian Peterson. By the way, the Minnesota Vikings administrative offices treated him like shit. We've got some cards here. Randy Moss, old Fran Tarkington, Vince Lombardi, Bart Starr, Walter Payton. There are just some of the things. And Max, who's into the comics, Ewan Bacon got this. He's excited. He's into speculation. And one of the speculations is Batman Beyond movie coming out. And so he wanted to pull the trigger on a Batman Beyond #1 newsstand edition. And he decided to go with the 9.6 graded, and I think he got a reasonable price, and he tells me every day that the value's up. So he just got that in the mail today. Will Greer, kind of cool. I wanted to rip open a box real quick. I hate sitting here dragging it out. I don't have a lot because I haven't been buying much because they're so damn overinflated. And I'm such a junkie. I go to Walmart or Target, and I got to go through the card section, and it's practically bare. Every now and then I find something, but I got some baseball Prism, and like I said, I don't know shit about baseball. We've got a box of Score, 2020 Score. I bought those at wholesale price, so that's fine. Just to start, maybe I'll do two. I don't know. We'll see. But here's I hate these flipping hanger things, but it's a baseball Prism 2020. Now, I know the true card enthusiasts don't like Prism baseball cards because they don't have a license agreement with the MLB, so therefore, Topps has a better card, higher value. I don't know. Like most people don't know, and most people don't give a damn. Some people say that Panini's been negotiating behind the scenes to get MLB exclusive. But the agreement MLB has right now goes for a couple more years, I think. Anyway, let's rip this real quick. Prism. I'm just going to zip through the base. I don't know what the hell. Nico Goodrum. Evan Longoria. Isn't she an actress? Shane Bieber, Justin's brother-in-law. Steven Strasburg. I know he's got some money on his cards. Eduardo Rodriguez. Okay, now I kind of like these. Now, maybe I shouldn't touch this, but TJ, and I don't know how to pronounce the name, Gold. TJ Ziuk. So I'm not going to touch that one. I'll sleeve that up in a little bit. James McCann. Almost the name of a movie star. Top of the class. Jackson Rutledge. Not numbered or anything, but I'll put that in the pile to sleeve. Mike Fires. Austin Powers. Xander Bogaerts. What a hell of a name. Bogaerts. That's a hell of a name. Xander. Like Xander Cage, man. Look, he's got his face paint on too. I'm gonna put that. I'm gonna sleeve that up. Matt Boyd with Detroit. I don't give a shit about that. Matt Carpenter. What? You ever notice that all these baseball players are Matt and Justin and Cody and Tanner and all that shit? Fuck that. All right, this is a special bonus pack. Red, white, and blue. Justin Dunn rookie card. Red, white, and blue. Keston Mihaljersson. Red, white, and blue. Marcus Stroman. If I got a Tatis or something like a Trout, I know those are worth though. Sean Manaea. And Alex Bregman. Okay, an Illumination orange. I've seen this guy get Shohei Ohtani. I don't know how to pronounce that name. Like I said, I don't know shit about baseball, so I'll take pictures of these and send them to my buddies Todd and JD later. You know what I want to do? I like football. There's just a shitload of cards in here, though. I'm not gonna do that one. If you want me to, sure, why not? I'm here with them. I'm flipping. No, that's not cool. Don't know what happened to my. What did I do with it, man? I used a pen. Again, my own box. I can do whatever the hell I want. Right? That's right. That's right. All right. I personally hate Score. They're so damn overpriced right now. But 2020 and everybody and their brother. Nothing. The contenders don't come out till how many flipping are there in here? Contenders don't come out till. Oh, dude, I'm not gonna all this shit. Man. All right. Well, I'll do a few packs. Contenders don't come out till January, and National Treasures. If you're buying football cards, I swear to God, there's a lot of cool cards. But if you're looking at the monetary return, Contenders and National Treasures. I hate to say it, and Prism is or not Prism. Phoenix is great for your money, but from a pure financial standpoint, seriously, Contenders and National Treasure. And if you want to argue with me, send me your comments. I'll debate all day long. I'm a due diligence junkie and I'm a finance guy, and I'd love to be proven wrong. But go look at the cards that have sold in the last 6 months, and go look at the same time period for the last 5 years, and see what series has demanded the most money, and then go back and look at the manufactured bracelet or cut sheet. And here, I'm gonna do one more, and that's it. And you can calculate. It's a long story, but anyway, tell me. I know Limit is good and Select is good, and there's some other good stuff, but National Treasures at 1,500, hell no. National Treasures at 6,800, hell yeah. All right, what do we got here? Okay, a base. I hate score. Dexter Lawrence, Joey Bosa, Golden Tate III, Derek Carr, Tevin Coleman, Christian McCaffrey, Todd Gurley, Matt Ryan. Whoa, shit. But what the hell has he got on his shoes there? Look at that. He's got pink shoes on? Matt Ryan got pink shoes, man. He is comfortable with his sexuality. Kenyon Drake, Irv Smith. You cannot open a box of cards without getting an Irv Smith and a Tony Pollard. I swear to God, especially autographed. Irv Smith, his hand must be sore. Devin White, Aaron Rodgers. Normally I'd sleeve Aaron Rodgers, but it's a flip and score base card, so I'm just going to blow through it. Here's a guy I like this coming up here that you can get his card pretty cheap. They've gone up a little bit, but anybody with the Bucks who's still around, I really like. Here is an insert, scorecard insert for Cameron Jordan. It's not numbered or anything, but I'll sleeve that up. Here's dude, this guy is overrated. Trust me, mark my words. Joe, bury his ass, Burrows. I would wait until the second week football starts, if they start, and I'd sell all his cards like there's no tomorrow. I'm telling you, I'm not buying him at all. Breakthrough, DJ Moore. Celebration, Saints. All Hands Team, Cooper Hupp. I'm going to go through these to pick it up. Base Hunter, Benjamin. Base Cole McDonald. I like this guy. This guy's a rising star. From University of Wisconsin, Jonathan Taylor. I've got an autograph card of his, on-card autograph. I think he's the real deal. I think he's undervalued. I think his card's going to just shoot up there. LSU, Christian Fulton. Brian Edwards. Tony Jones Jr. from Notre Dame. I'm not buying this guy either. He's a wild card, but I wouldn't go out and spend a shitload of money on him. I'm not there. I'm not there. In my opinion, a pussy. He gets hurt a lot, and he complains a lot. He's had everything handed to him. Now he's talented. Don't get me wrong, I couldn't go out there and do what he does, but I'm not there. Davis. All right, what other cards we got here? More college cards. Terrell Lewis. All right, we're back to some base pro. Terrell Edmonds. Sony. Nah, I don't know. You know, with Cam there though. Hell, shit, Jarrett Stedman. Is he looking for another job or what? Javaris Landry, Jordan Poyer, Denzel Ward, Mike Gesicki, Tunsil, not to be confused with Tonsil, Patrick Chung. I don't have any of his cards. It's the first one I've seen him. Quentin Nelson, Joe Casey, Jenkins, Sutton, Henry, Kyle Fuller, Tyrell Williams. I don't know. Does he have a job? I ain't even gonna say shit about that. Joyner, Ryan Kerrigan, Blake Martinez. You know, where the hell is he at now? I don't know. Chandler Jones, Jacob Hostetler, or not Hostetler. I'm thinking Jeff Hostetler. Hollister. Isn't that a clothing store? Kamara, Wagner, Ian Thomas, Disley, Calvin Ridley. Here's a insert. Royce Freeman. It's not quite gold. I don't know what kind of color you'd call that, but it's numbered. Let me see that. 14 out of 50, but it's probably the same photo they have on 50,000 other cards. Panini. Bunch of fuckers. Excuse me, that slipped out. Sorry. Hey Bear. Put that in the pile. Breakthrough. Celebration Packers. What's this? Flipper. It's a Tucker. I'll pull that up in a little bit. We're back to some college cards. Espanza. From Florida, where we are. We're in Southwest Florida. From UCF. We got Davis. Alabama, we got McKinley. So we got McFarland. We got from Michigan, Brian Loricki. KJ Hill from Ohio. Benjamin Victor from Ohio. From Southern Cal, Pittman. AJ Green. We're back to Le'Veon Bell. Big Ben. N'Keal Harry. Dunlop from the Bengals. Beasley from Buffalo. Nick Chubb. Tyler Eifert. AJ Green. Eric Ebron. Dwayne Haskins. I like him. Patty Mahomes II. I don't know. I already made my comments. Wentz. Fuller from Casey. Still coming back to that Tucker. See, I love this guy. Odell Beckham. I'd like to see Odell Beckham and Cam Newton and Gronkowski and Edelman and Pretty Boy Brady get in a limo and go out partying one night. Dawson Knox, Greedy Williams, Josh Rosen, Deshaun Watson. That's a cool photo. Cool jump. Kyle Van Noy, Jacoby Brissett, Marcus May, Adams, Terry McLaurin, let's see, Manadala, Hunter Russell, Akeem Hicks, Jonathan Abram, Tyreek Cohn, AJ Brown, Landon Collins, Devontae Adams. We like Devontae Adams. This is a base card though. Mayor Lattimore, Griffin, Eric Reed, Russell Wilson. I don't even know how to pronounce Trufant. Sherman, Vikings Madison, Zerline from the UK. We got Bowden Jr. I think there's a card I see coming up. An insert, Zach Eats. Draft day card, Derek Brown. Under the radar, Mike Williams. Another towel. More college cards from Texas. We got Johnson. University of Miami, a local guy. Dallas. Another Michigan, Patterson. Minnesota, Martin. The Florida guy, Jefferson. Pinckney. Was that Virginia? It's not Virginia. I don't know. Where the hell that's from. LSU, we got Edwards, a hyphenated name. I'm not going to say that shit. Lutton, J.K. Dobbins. I don't know. I don't know either. All right. More base. Farrell, Baker. I don't know. Boy! Shepard, Ridley, Williams, Hooper, Ghost Town, Kyle Rudolph, O.J. Howard, Jimmy Graham, Will Lutz, San Francisco. I don't even know what to say about San Francisco. I'm still, whatever. I don't know how to pronounce his last name either. Tyrone Diggs. I like that. Or Trayvon Diggs. I like that name. Insert Josh Allen. I was trying to read it upside down. Three-peat. Marlon Mack under the radar. Another Tucker I'll get to in a second. Jake Fromm. I like Jake. I buy his card too all day long. Give me an on-card autograph, Jake, with his team uniform on. I'll pay up for that. Kelly Rico Dowdle. Where the hell is that from? Anyway. Yeah, I won't make any comments about that. Gross Meadows. Pat Moon. Warner. Tyler Hunter. Jesus Christ, there's so many damn cards in this thing. I'm just going to blow through them. Hyde, Gilmore, Mack, Marquise Brown, Clark Jr., Mason Rudolph, James White, Zach Jones, Hawkinson, Amari Cooper, Kenny Galladay. And these base cards of these score, I don't know. I'll give them away to some little kid. Tyler Lewin, David Montgomery, Cameron Wake, Bryce Love, Deshaun Hamilton, Flores, Breeze, Carson, Samuel Alexander, Julio Jones, Deebo Samuel. You know, that card could be worth some, not this one, but his cards could be worth some dough. Adam Thielen, Andy Isabella, here's another one. His card could be worth some money. Here's an insert, numbered. Okay, 8 out of 20. Bubba Baker. I like that one. It's a good looking card. Red Zone. 8 out of 20. You know, honestly, numbered cards and materials and relics ain't worth shit. You know, an autograph, you're starting to get something. If you get an on-card autograph, you know, then you're, you know, whatever. So, numbered cards and relics I don't care about. A.J. Dillon, DJ Moore, 3 quarterbacks, Kirk Cousins. I don't care for him either. I'm a big Minnesota fan, but don't like, you know, where's Tommy Kramer? Huh? Kinlaw, Hightower, Parkinson, Swift, you know, Jalen Hurts, James Robinson, Limitel Perrine. I don't know how Justin. I don't know. Does it go by Hey Bear or Her Bear this week? Who knows? Garnett Williams, DeAndre Hopkins, D.D. Westbrook, Thomas Atkins. I don't know how to pronounce his name. T.J. Watt. God, I wish he was going to Tampa. I wish to God if he went to Tampa, I'd love that. Darius Geis, Casey, Miles Sander. All right, the two Tuckers we got are autographs. They are not on card. They're sticker. One is college. The other is team uniform. The first one, the college one, I think it's numbered. It's not numbered, but AJ. I don't even know how to pronounce it. I'm going to try. I don't know who the hell drafted him. Iowa. Well, I'm just going to set that aside. I don't know shit about him. Devontae Parker with Miami. Red zone, autographed, numbered 11 out of 20. I wonder what number he is, if he's number 1. I don't think he's number 11, but I can't quite tell if that's a 1 on there or what that is. I think he was a rookie in 2019, but I don't know shit about him either. In Miami, I have no idea what they're going to do with, Fitzmitis, and I don't have no clue what they're going to do with Tau. Anyway, I'm not going to open the rest of these out of that score box because there's too damn many of them. But that was ripping a box. I think the greatest thing I got today was in the mail. That wherever the hell I put it, don't know. Right here. Will Greer, Cracked Ice. I like that. Anyway, stay tuned. Max is going to talk everything comics. We're going to talk movies, movies we like. That's about it. Any questions, comments, send us a note, make a comment. Thank you for watching. We hope you're entertained. Take care.